Damn dog. I didn't beat the fucking dog. If I beat the dog, who is the dog? Is you beat? Is you beat up? Say I over-exaggerate shit. Say I'm really small and I over-exaggerate. Say it. Say it. But he traumatized. He's not fucking traumatized. My next stream, shit, according to fucking Twitch, my next stream not till March 15th. But it's cool though. Cause that mean I got a month to be on my YouTube. Tell them that you're fine. Tell them right now. I'm not playing. Tell them. Tell them. Tell the people. Tell them. Tell them. You're fine. You're fine and you're for sale. Oh my God, he's so fucking dramatic.
When you got 20 on that nigga head, then make it 40, nigga. Since you know me still.